In this video, we are going to talk about the MasterStudy LMS add-ons and why you would need them. Now, MasterStudy LMS has a free version that you can start with. You can create your courses, you can monetize your courses, but as your e-learning site grows, you have to add more advanced features. And these advanced features comes through the add-ons. And these add-ons are only available in the paid version of MasterStudy. So in this video, we are going to talk about these add-ons, what they do, and why you would need them. So let's get started. Now, to talk about these add-ons, we're going to use the MasterStudy LMS live demo, which is available in their official website. Now, here is the website. Let's go to the dashboard and let's go to the add-on section. To go to the add-on section, first we're going to select MasterStudy from here. And from here, we can see the Pro add-ons option. So we're going to click on it and it's going to open up the add-on section. Here are all the add-ons. Now let's go through them one by one. The first one is the certificate builder. This add-on allows you to create and design your own certificates, which you can award to students once they complete the course. Now this is the certificate builder. As you can see, it opens up a new section where you can design your own certificate. There are templates available on the left-hand side, so you can pick any template you like. And on the right-hand side, there are elements that you can add to your certificates, such as texts, images, shapes, certificate codes, QR code, etc. If you want to learn how you can create certificates using the MasterStudy LMS Certificate Builder, we have a tutorial available which you can find in the video description. The next add-on is subscriptions. This allows you to create subscriptions and membership plans for your courses. Now, using the subscription plans, you can enable recurring payments and give your learners continuous access to your content. When you're creating a course within the course builder, you can go to the pricing section and enable the subscription options. Once you enable this, you are going to see options to add subscription plans. You will be able to add subscription title, pricing, billing interval, billing cycles, number of cycles. You can offer a sale price, you can schedule the sale price, you can also add additional features such as trial periods, you can mark it as featured, you can choose to provide a certificate or not with this plan. If you guys want to learn how to create subscription plans for your MasterStudy LMS courses, we have a tutorial on that which you can find in the video description as well. Now, while on the subject of subscriptions, you can also create memberships. Now, membership allows you to create plans which will allow your students to access your category-based courses or specific courses or site-wide courses using recurring payments. We also have a tutorial explaining the membership plans, how you can create those plans. You can find the link to that tutorial in the video description as well. The next add-on that we are going to talk about is the email manager. Now, as you run an e-learning site, there are various emails that are sent to tutors, instructors, and also the admin. This add-on allows you to adjust your email templates for different types of notifications and make your messages look good and clear. So for email branding, you can choose the sender name, you can choose the sender email address, you can customize the header and footer with your logo, so you can upload your e-learning site's logo, background, footer image, and also you can customize the entire background color. You can also add copyright texts from here, and if you also have an image prepared, you can add it in the URL and description of that image, and that will be added to the email copyright section. You can customize the emails sent to admin, emails sent to instructors. You can also customize emails sent to students, system notifications. You can also import and export various settings. The next add-on is related to the email manager, and we already discussed this, as it allows you to adjust your email template for different types of notifications and make your messages look good and clear, which we just saw. After that, the next add-on is the AI Lab. Now, this already explains it. Using this, you will be able to generate lesson and quiz content. This will speed up your course creation. If we enable this add-on and take a look at it, here you can add in your OpenAI API key. You can select the model from here. You can also customize the number of text suggestions, number of image suggestions. You can also decide if you want to allow instructor access as well. The next add-on is the grades. Now, with this add-on, you will be able to grade assignments and quizzes and give your students a personalized feedback. You can view all scores in one place and see how your students are doing throughout the course. Now you can find the grade settings in the settings section. Here you can choose how you want to display the result. You can display it in grade, points, or percentage. You can also choose the score separator here. You can also take a look at grades display on course page. You can also choose how your grades will be displayed. Here there's also the grade table, so you can take a look at the grade name, grade point, and also the grade range. You can also customize these and add in your own grades over here. The next add-on is the drip content. Now the drip content allows you to create a sequential learning path. When you're creating a course using MasterStudy LMS, you will be actually creating lessons one after another, and you have to ensure that students pass through these lessons sequentially. So they have to complete lesson 1 in order to progress to lesson 2. In order to progress to lesson 3, they have to complete lesson 2, and so on. In the back-end drip content settings, we get 2 of these options. The first one is sequential lesson lock, which students must complete lessons in order before unlocking the next one. So this is the one that I was talking about. So if you enable this, students must complete lessons in order. You can also enable this option, which locks lesson till its start time. So you can add a start time for a lesson, and when it reaches that designated time, students will be able to access that lesson. It also allows you to create the drip content visually. So if you open up the course builder, you'll be able to create dependencies just by adding in the lessons sequentially. So students will have to follow the path that you have created. The next add-on is the assignments. This allows you to create assignments for your students so you can test your students' knowledge, and you can also grade these assignments. In the backend assignment settings, you'll be able to customize the number of allowed attempts to pass assignment. You can also enable or disable the file attachments for assignments, number of allowed attachments, max file size for the attachments in the assignments. You can also specify what type of file extensions students are allowed to upload. For example, JPEG, JPG, PNG, WebP, GIF, SVG, PDF, doc, docx, PPT, etc. You can also allow audio and video recordings for your assignments. Adding an assignment to a course curriculum is quite easy. You simply click on the Add Lesson button, and from here you choose the assignment. Now this will open up the UI where you will be able to create your assignment for your students. You will be able to add in the assignment name, specify the assignment attempts and passing grade. You can also add in assignment contents. Then you can add in assignment materials and finally click on Create to create your assignment. We have a tutorial on the content drip as well as the assignments of MasterStudy LMS. In case you want to learn how to do that, you can find the links to those tutorials in the video description. In case you want to learn more, check those out. The next add-on is the LMS Forms Editor. Now if we read over here, this allows you to customize the forms in your LMS, change fields in the menus or contact forms, profiles, and registration login pages. Now your e-learning site will have forms for students and instructors. Now this add-on allows you to customize your forms. For example, you can create the Become Instructor form. What fields you need to add, you can add in from here. For example, the email is already added. You can also add in phone numbers, and after you add in that field, you can add in the field ID, field label, field description, and also the placeholder, and decide if this will be required or not. In this way, you can add in as many fields as required, and then you can customize these texts as well. The next add-on is the prerequisites. Now this allows you to set the requirements for students. Now for example, you're creating a course which the students wants to take, but in order to take that course, they will have to complete a few prerequisites. Now this can be found in the course builder. So if we go to the settings tab of the course builder and click on prerequisites, this is where we can add in our prerequisites. We can insert a prerequisite passing percentage from here. We can also add in courses from here as well. The next add-on is the Media File Manager. This allows you to manage, keep, and load files of various formats while creating e-learning content in the front end. In the backend settings section, you can specify the max file size, allowed file extensions, whether you want to use Unsplash images, pixel images, or Pixabay images, you can specify from here. The next add-on is the group courses. So you can sell online courses to groups of students, whether they are an organization, team, or any group, you can offer your courses to those groups. The next add-on is the question media. This allows you to make your questions much more interactive by adding in engaging images and interactive elements such as videos, audios, and images. For example, if you're creating a single choice question, you'll be able to add in images to your question. For example, there's a question already added over here. We can click on this button and add in an image, video, or audio to better explain this question. So let's go ahead and add in an image just to see how this looks like. Okay, so that is how you can add in images. And if you guys want to learn how you can create quizzes in MasterStudy LMS, we also have that tutorial available. You can find the link to that tutorial in the video description. The next add-on is the social login. If you read over here, it says, let your users log in super easily using their Google or Facebook accounts with this add-on. No more struggling with passwords, just one click and they're in. So if you enable that add-on, you can find this social login option in your MasterStudy LMS settings. From here, you can enable the Google or Facebook logins. And from here, you can add your client ID, client secret, and redirect URL. You can do the same for Facebook as well, and then you can log in using your Google or Facebook accounts. Now, if you want to bundle up courses and sell it as a package at a discount price, the course bundle add-on allows you to do that. Once you enable it, you'll be able to bundle courses and sell it at a discount price. The next add-on is the upcoming course status. So you can create and promote courses that are not yet available for enrollment. This add-on lets you give a preview of the upcoming courses and a countdown to launch date. From the backend settings, you will be able to allow instructors to enable upcoming course status. You can enable the course pre-ordering. You can also choose to allow upcoming courses to be added to the course bundles as well. The next add-on is the gradebook, with which you can track your students' progress, watch what students have completed, their progress, and how well they're doing. And if you want to take live online classes using Google Meet, you can enable this add-on. However, if you prefer taking live online classes with Zoom, you can enable Zoom conference add-on and connect your Zoom account with your MasterStudy LMS website, and you'll be able to create live online classes with Zoom. Now, to create a live online class, it's really simple. Just open up your course builder, click on Add a Lesson, and you can choose Zoom or Google Meet lessons. Remember, if you have these add-ons disabled, you won't see these options, okay? So once you choose the platform which you want to use for your live online classes, it's going to open up this section. Here you can add in the start date, end date, start time, end time, time zones, event visibility, meeting summary. You'll be able to create the live online class. It's also possible to add multiple instructors to a course using the multi-instructor add-on. So for online courses, it's very common to have multiple instructors. Having this enabled allows you to add multiple instructors to a single course. To access these settings, we can open up the course builder, go to the settings tab, and from here we can see the co-instructor option. We can click on this drop down and add a co-instructor from here. So once your instructors are registered to your site, you will be able to see their name pop up over here, and you'll be able to choose your co-instructor from here. The next add-on is the statistics and payout. If you want to manage all your payments and track affiliated statistics for your courses, such as total profit, total payment, and manage all the author fees, this add-on allows you to keep track of all of that. So if we take a look at it, here you can see the total amount, total admin commission, and also instructor earnings from here. You can also create a payout just by clicking on this create payout button, and also view all the transactions that's been going on your site. So you can take a look at the statistics of your website from this section. Now, if you want to add a trial period for your courses so your students can try out the course for free before purchasing it, you can enable the trial courses feature. The next two add-ons are the audio lessons and live streaming. Now, the audio lesson allows you to add audio-based lessons, so you can upload your files from Spotify or SoundCloud and mix them with text, videos, and quizzes in your courses. And for live streaming, you can have live lessons and interact with your students in real time. Now, when you open up your course builder and click on Add a Lesson, you'll already see the audio lesson and stream lesson option available over here. Once you have those add-ons enabled, you will be able to add in the audio lesson or stream lesson as well. The next add-on is the point system, so you can motivate and engage students by awarding them with points for their progress and activity on the website. The next add-on is Scorm. Now, you you can easily upload to your LMS any course that was created with the help of different content tools. If you want to use Google Classroom for your e-learning site, you can use it through this add-on. So you can enable it. Google Classroom will be integrated to your MasterStudy LMS website. If you want to enable online testing, that's also possible. With this add-on, you'll be able to put any quizzes on any page of your website, not just confined to courses. This allows both your students and visitors to take tests on your e-learning site. And finally, there's the Udemy importer. If you have published Udemy courses, you can import those courses from Udemy and display those on your MasterStudy LMS site. Now, these will still be your Udemy courses, but it will be displayed on your e-learning site. So these were the add-ons of MasterStudy LMS. Now, as your site grows, you'll have to introduce more advanced features for more engaging learning experience for your students. In order to do that, you have to get the paid version of MasterStudy LMS. Now let's take a look at the pricing of MasterStudy LMS. There are annual and lifetime plans. The annual plans have the single site, 10 sites, and unlimited site licenses. The single site plan is available for a discount price of $99 per year. The 10 site license is available for a discount price of $199 per year. And the unlimited package is available for a discount price of $399 per year. You can also get the lifetime plans, which are just one-time payments. So now the discounted price of single site, 10 sites, and unlimited plans are $249, $499, $999 respectively. If you are interested in getting MasterStudy LMS Pro, you can check our video description for a link. So that brings our video to an end. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If that is the case, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.